This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Sign into the Google account that hosts the profile. Once signed in, go straight to Personal Info. Don't browse settings. Make sure the image file is high contrast and squarish. Google accepts JPG or PNG and prefers sizes between 250x250 and 1024x1024. Upload the file by clicking the Profile Photo tile, then choose Upload or select from Photos. You're ready to place the image. Next, we'll refine framing and style before saving. Once uploaded, crop for the circular avatar. Drag to position the face or subject where you want it centered. Then open the Google Photos editor if available. Adjust brightness, contrast, and exposure to keep details visible on small icons. Use 1 or 2 subtle filters rather than heavy effects so the portrait reads at small sizes. Make sure the background isn't busy. Blur or simplify it if needed. When you're satisfied with the visual balance, move on to saving and previewing. Save the photo and watch Google propagate it across services. This can take a few minutes. You should refresh pages or sign out and back in to force the update. On mobile, update via the Google app or account settings and allow sync time. If the image doesn't appear correctly, clear your browser cache or re-upload using a 512x512 file under 5 MB. One key troubleshooting tip: if cropping behaves oddly, resize externally to a square before uploading to ensure consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.